Hey there, plant lovers! Ever thought about creating a themed garden? It's more than just planting. It's about weaving a story with your backyard. Imagine stepping into your own little world of fresh herbs, vibrant vegetables, or fragrant flowers, all connected by a theme you love. Themed gardens are like a joyful treasure hunt. You get the satisfaction of growing your own food, but with an extra dash of fun. Plus, they make such a statement. Picture this: a whimsical tea garden or a vibrant pizza garden right outside your doorstep. But the best part? Themed gardens are perfect for beginners. They help you focus on specific plants and learn as you grow. So, are you ready to get your hands dirty and design your dream garden? Let's dive in. Imagine stepping outside and snipping fresh lettuce and herbs for your salad. That's the magic of a salad garden. It's all about growing a variety of delicious greens and veggies that blend into a crisp, refreshing meal. Choose a mix of textures and colors like romaine, buttercrunch, and red leaf lettuce. Basil, dill, cilantro, and parsley add a burst of flavor. Cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and radishes bring a satisfying crunch. Most salad greens thrive in partial shade, especially during hot afternoons. Well-drained soil is key. Mix in compost for happy, healthy plants. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Create a calming oasis with a fragrant tea garden. It's a place to relax, unwind, and savor the simple pleasures of a warm cup of tea, brewed with love and homegrown herbs. Mint, chamomile, and lemon balm are must-haves for soothing teas. Lavender and rose petals add a touch of elegance and a sweet aroma. Try pineapple sage for a fruity twist or anise hyssop for a licorice flavor. Most herbs prefer full sun, so choose a sunny spot for your tea garden. Give your plants room to breathe and grow. Overcrowding can lead to diseases. Pick leaves regularly to encourage new growth and enjoy fresh tea all season long. Pizza night just got tastier with the pizza garden. Turn pizza night into a backyard adventure with a dedicated pizza garden. Imagine picking fresh toppings just moments before they hit the crust. Yum! Plant picks, the essentials. Tomatoes are a must. Choose a variety like Roma or San Marzano for a rich sauce. Flavor boosters, oregano, basil, and thyme are classic pizza herbs that add incredible flavor. Extra toppings, bell peppers, onions, and even mushrooms can thrive in your pizza garden. Planting tips. Support. Tomatoes need sturdy support as they grow. Use stakes, cages, or trellises. Watering water deeply and consistently, especially during fruit development. Pest control. Keep an eye out for pests and use natural methods like neem oil to protect your plants. Spice up your life with the Salsa Garden. Add a kick to your meals with a vibrant salsa garden. It's all about growing the freshest ingredients to create your own zesty salsa, bursting with flavor. Plant picks. Tomato power. Choose a mix of tomatoes for sweetness and acidity, like cherry tomatoes and heirloom varieties. Hot, hot, hot. Jalapenos, serranos, or habaneros bring the heat. Adjust the spice level to your liking. Flavor essentials. Cilantro, onions, and garlic are essential for that classic salsa taste. Planting tips. Sunlight, tomatoes, and peppers love sunshine. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil drainage. Well-drained soil is crucial. Amend with compost to improve drainage and fertility. Harvest time. Pick your peppers and tomatoes as they ripen for the best flavor. Enjoy!